Good morning, students. Now, this lecture we are going to see about networking devices. First of all, you should know what is a networking device. Basically, the purpose of networking device is just to connect the two devices each other, two components each other for the purpose of sharing the data or the sharing the hardware resources. Suppose that you are going to connect two system with each other, and with those two systems you are connecting a single printer. This is forming a networking device. Now there are several networking devices that are discussed here. So first of all, we should start with the modem. The full form of modem is modulator and demodulator, that is used to establish the internet connection. As you all must have seen the modem installed at wherever the broadband connection is there, which convert the signal, that is digital signal, analog signal, that convert the digital into analog and analog into digital. It comes with as an internal modem or external modem. Means internal modem, it is already built with the system, and external modem we just attach the modem from external. Now next networking device is hub. Now, basically, first of all, you should see the figure of modem. This is the modem, as we all have discussed the modem. Now next is the hub. First of all, you will see what is hub. Figure of hub. This is the hub, and these are all the ports. These are all the ports where the cable wire is connected to establish the connection. Now hub is used to connect the multiple computer and computer devices using the cable, and basically fiber optic cable is used to connect the system. Each connection is called a port, as already I have told you in the figure. What is function? It distribute the data to the other ports of the network. Means distribute means, first of all, it takes the data from one system and it distribute that data to other system. Now switch is also a networking device, but it is a greater form of, or we can say it is a bigger form of hub. We will see this. You can see this hub. There are multiple ports. This you can see ports. You can see that the number of ports in hub is smaller as compared to the number of ports in switch. So we can say that the transmission efficiency is much more better in switch as compared to the hub. It is needed in the large network connection where a large number of systems are connected with each other, and its speed is also faster and have a better performance as compared to the hub. Now repeater. You can see the figure of repeater. This is the repeater. Here you can connect the cable of the system of the devices. Now it is a communication device that is used to regenerate the signal. Regenerate the signal means it filter the signals. First of all, it receive the signal, cleans them, उसकी सफाई करता है, filter करता है, it filters and then retransmit. फिर से transmit करता है, signal को receive करना, उसके बाद उसकी filtering करना, then again it sends the signal to the destination. It is needed in order to support long distance networking connection, where a long networking connection is required without any distortion or without any disturbance. Next is the router. Basically, the router is used to connect two different network, like two LAN connection, LAN and WAN connection. It is used to develop the network between the devices, and it keeps the network efficient. One thing more, that it controls the traffic. Means it stops the multiple signal. It catches the signal one by one. Now gateway. It is a shared connection between a LAN and a WAN. Shared connection means it act as a carrier, act as a intermediate, as a medium, work as a messenger agent. Messenger agent means intermediate, बीच का काम करना. Takes data from one system, interpret it. Interpret का मतलब होता है कन्वर्ट करना, एक सिग्नल को दूसरे फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना. ट्रांसफर इट टू द अदर सिस्टम. सिग्नल को लेता है, उसके बाद सिग्नल को क्या करता है, it transfer it to the other network, act as a network carrier, as already I have told you, and also known as that is what is known as the packet converter. It is also known as the packet converter. Now in networking devices, the last one is the bridge, which act as the repeater. रिपीटर मीन्स, रिपीटर भी पहले भी पढ़ा आपने. रिपीटर का मतलब होता है फिल्टर, सिग्नल को फिल्टर करना, उसके बाद उसको भेजना. रीड द एड्रेस ऑफ द सोर्स एंड डेस्टिनेशन मैसेज. ये एक सिस्टम है. दूसरा ये हमारा सोर्स है, ये हमारा डेस्टिनेशन है. कौन सा मैसेज हम यहाँ से भेज रहे हैं और कौन सा मैसेज हमें यहाँ पहुँचना है, इसके लिए हम हर एक मैसेज के साथ एक एड्रेस अलॉट होता है. इट प्रिवेंट्स अननेसेसरी ट्रैफिक. ठीक है, डिस्टर्बेंस, कंजेशन जो भी है उससे हमें रोकता है. इट प्रिवेंट्स इट. सो दिस ऑल आर अबाउट द नेटवर्किंग डिवाइसेस. इन द नेक्स्ट lecture we will see about the networking terminology and protocols. Thank you.